going on, guys? So today we're gonna take a quick look at the new parts car that I have for the VR-4. This is a 1995 3000 GT SL. I bought it for $700. It was $225 to get it towed, so $925 all in, and you can see my dogs and my cat there. Yep. Anyway, so it's green, just like the VR-4 that I see in the other videos that are green. So it's perfect for the parts car because any body pieces I need or anything like that are going to match. And I mentioned it in my last video. But yeah, so basically this is just going to be a parts car. I mean, it runs. Nothing's wrong with it. All it needed was an exhaust and the clutch line leaked. But that was it. Otherwise, it ran. And I could have driven around, but I really just needed it as a parts car. You can see those rims there. I don't know what kind of rims those are, but I kind of like them a little. Like the way they look. They're not bad looking. I'll probably just sell those. I don't really need them. So many things in this car I don't need that I'm just gonna sell on eBay. But let me see, what am I doing here? Oh yeah, I'm opening it up. You can see all the water pouring out of the door from when it's raining. I guess when that little seal on the window goes bad, all the water just goes right into there and just stores inside the door. Makes a complete mess. But I got to looking at that dash. I think that dash actually is black, not gray. I thought it was gray, but I can't really tell. Maybe it's like a light black. I'm not really sure. But I'm definitely going to take that dash and put it in the VR-4. Yeah, see, there's the seals all dry rotted and gone bad there. That's how all the water's getting in there. But yeah, the dash is good. I think I'm going to use that dash. I'm going to take that steering wheel too, and that center console I'm going to put in the VR-4 also. So that means all the dash parts that I got out of the white donor car, the 91, the first gen, I'm going to sell all those on eBay. Let me get all these parts out of the way here so I can show you the inside of the car. This car actually has a sunroof, which is kind of cool, but the VR-4 doesn't. Doesn't really matter to me, but it's kind of cool. I'll probably just sell the parts for the sunroof too. I'll pull all that out and put that on eBay. You can already see the back seats are already out. The complete back of the car I've already taken apart, taken what I've needed. And then by the end of this video, you'll see I've started to take this car apart. I've started to take the center console out. Also, I'm going to start this car in this video too. And you'll hear it. It doesn't have an exhaust on it, so you hear how loud it is without the exhaust. It's very hard to hear the engine, to tell if it's got, engine tap or whatever, because it's so loud. But I think the engine's probably alright. The car only has like 109,000 miles on it. It's a little rusty in there. Yeah. It's not too bad. $700. Anyway, so this is me starting it up. No check engine lights. No lights at all. Anything. So that's pretty good. Has a very high idle though. It's idling very fast. And the guy told me that when I bought it. He said he was doing that. You can see the tail lights already taken off. And then the putting in the radio code here. I've never had to put in the radio code on these, so it took a minute to figure out how to do it. But the car came with the radio code. Radio works, and of course that one's going to go in the VR-4. And then I found some of the paperwork in there. Yeah, that was in the glove box. That's from 2002. So in 2002, it had 60,000 miles, and it sold for, what was that, 14,000? And then I got it for 700. It's like, it had owner's manual in the glove box. Yeah. And then here you'll see what I've started to take out. Anyway, so yeah, do my best to get more videos going, slowly but surely.